Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the PlayStation app is current and you are signed into the same PSN account that made the purchases. Once done, open the app on your phone and allow any permission prompts so navigation is smooth. Make sure network connectivity is stable and device time is correct. This prevents mismatches when the app queries transactions. Now you're ready to move directly into your account controls to find the transaction or purchase history without delay. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right to access account settings, because that's where purchase and payment records are stored. Once inside account or payment settings, look for labels like transaction history or purchase history. Menu names vary slightly by region and version, so scan related sections. After selecting the history area, pick the PSN account if prompted, and choose a date range or filter to narrow results. Doing this lets you quickly surface the exact charges and dates you need. Finally, tap any transaction to reveal full details like date, item name, price, and order ID so you can confirm what charged you and when. If you need a list, use available filters or export options to view a condensed statement. If entries don't appear or fields are blank, troubleshoot by updating the app, signing out and back in, or checking your account on the PlayStation web portal. If problems persist, contact PlayStation support with the order ID shown for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.